My name is Zhao Ying. Welcome to QHD Energy Service Center. During the past 15 years continuous development and growth, QHD has already become one of the best GE global gas repair COEs and has provided high-quality repair services to hundreds of customers from more than 130 countries and regions. Right now, we are capable of repairing combustion components, power nozzles, shrouds for the turbine units from Frame 5, 6B, 9E to the 9F series. Meanwhile, we also qualified for the 6B, 9E buckets repair as well as the Stage 2 and Stage 3 buckets repair for 9FA $3 units. With an annual volume increase by 7.5%, in 2020, the shop successfully achieved 1,016 sets of component repair with the best quality and 100% on-time delivery. We are right now come to the power nozzle repair station. I will let Dongyin to give you a detailed introduction. Hi, Dongyin.
Our main activity here consists in repair work for F, B, and E class gas turbines. QHD Service Center is GE Global Repair COE for power nozzles and shrouds, responsible for turbine components, repair process, and technology development. We provide one-stop service for GE Advanced Gen 3 and Gen 4 abrasible coating. This technology can help gas turbine improve outputs. We utilize renewal technology in nozzle repair to deal with those crease cracks, which often happens in those turbines with frequent starts. The blue light scan box is a digital reverse engineering tool with a high-resolution robot-controlled camera. It is widely used in car manufacturing industry. The camera can shoot a group of lights with different raster and pattern. By taking the reflection of the pattern, we can easily get the real geometry of components. In QHD shop, we use this technology in turbine blades and nozzle CTQ check to help us get a better quality and shorten the cycle. The dimension accuracy can reach to 10,000 inch.
QHD Service Center is constantly practicing GE's lean production concept. In the past 2 years, with the component repairing as the keyword, 3 lean flow lines for the power nozzles, shrouds, and the turbine blades have been established, and a single piece flow of the repair parts have been successfully achieved. In the past, before moving to the next repair step, we have to get all individual components of the whole part set completed. Right now, once the individual component completes its previous repair step, it can be immediately transferred to the next repair step, which not only helps us reducing the waiting time, but also dramatically help increasing the productivities and shortening the repair cycle. Moreover, the same type of component can be inserted into the repair flow line through the proper planning and arrangement at any time, which giving us more flexibility to respond to the emergency need one our customer may have. Here's the turbine blade repair lean line, which we love it so much. We put almost 90% of the repair process and equipment into the lean line. Welder can perform the FPI on the welding beam directly at his or her desk. Within 1 hour, we can successfully complete one piece of the turbine blade repair, from the surface shot pinning, aluminum sealing strip application, water flow test to the moment weight. The part can be directly put into packing box and ready for shipping. Here is the Smart Shop touch screen implemented on each operator's workstation. It integrates multiple functions, which can allow operators to complete working hours pinch in and out, working instructions checking, quality records filling, as well as a series of job-related tasks together. It really helps us to ensure the work data can be transferred and saved accurately, timely, and safely.
We are now arriving in the fuel nozzle repair zone. QHD shop is the GE unique fuel nozzle repair shop within Asia region. We use ultrasonic cleaning to degrease parts. Borescope helps us clearly examining the inner passage of the components to ensure all the foreign objects have completely removed. Finally, we use airflow test and water flow test to simulate actual firing condition, making sure all the design CTQ are met during repair. QHD Service Center owns 2 GE standard coating cells and 4 GE high-energy coating cells. With a full suite of GE codified metallurgical lab equipment, we provide one-stop service to our global customers to shorten the repair cycle. We have a very wide range of coating capability, which almost covers all the frames of hot gas pass components, from combustion liner, transmission piece, power nozzle, fuel nozzle, shrouds, and turbine blades. Coating types from standard thermal barrier coating, wire coating, to high-quality abrasive coating and locate coating, and TAL-related modifications. We have very experienced coating operators and engineers with more than 8 service years in an average. The coordinate measuring machine is another reverse engineering tool we use to measure those parts with a bigger size and complicated shapes. With a high precision probe touching the surface of a component, we can easily get the coordination data of the point. The software can help us calculate the relationship of multiple points and generate a dimensional report. In QHD, we use this technique on fixture calibration and inner shroud inspection. Heat treatment is a necessary process during gas turbine components repair. QHD shop have 4 industrial vacuum furnaces to help us realize solution, aging, rejuvenation, heat treatment. The maximum temperature can reach up to 2,200. This AVR auto blending robot is a new asset we just invested in 2021. This technique will greatly help us reduce the manual blending hours and cycle for turbine parts with aerodynamic surface, such as turbine blades and power nozzles.